recipe that I saw on Facebook, and this is for Bryson's birthday. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So what I did was I just melted a little butter in the pan. And okay, so the ingredients we have here is the honey butter biscuits, but at Walmart they didn't have the croissants that the ingredients call for, so we're gonna improvise with that. And then we have the natural cheese, shredded cheese. This is what Bryson picked out. This is what he wanted. And then you have the sliced cheese, and then you have the honey turkey breast, or you can really make it with whatever meats that you guys want to make it with. So I have the butter on here, and I'm gonna go ahead and open this up first, and then I'll put my gloves on. And to figure out a way to get this, move back, Lake.
Okay.
Figure out a way to get this to join together somehow.
Okay.
It's kind of like a pizza a little bit, but it's like a roll. We're trying to get a whole roll.
I can do it.
Like a roll thing going on here.
I'm just helping.
All right, so.
I can't help.
Hold on, Lake. Let me do this.
Just let me help you.
Okay, so we have just a little bit. Whoops. Let's push that over just a little bit and do it like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and take the shredded cheese. And sorry if the video is choppy, guys. Apologize, it's my first time making this. Let's go back a little bit, Lake, please. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and just distribute just a little bit of cheese, because we really don't have to have too much cheese on there because the slices is gonna melt on there.
Mom.
Ready?
Yeah.
All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the cheese because Bryson said he wanted cheese. I'll go ahead and add just a little bit of cheese on all of them. And maybe just put it back in the oven just for a couple seconds so it can melt. Hi guys, we're back. So we're doing like Bryson's favorite things. So this is the buffalo dip that I make, and some of the ingredients that, well, the ingredients that you need is the cheese, the Philadelphia cream cheese. We didn't have the sticks, so we just have to improvise, quarantine. And we have the buffalo wing sauce, some butter, and that's pretty much about it. And then I cut up about 5 chicken breasts, and I went on ahead and seasoned them, and I cooked them in the oven, and it's really, really juicy. So what you're gonna do is just go ahead and add the ingredients, and you also add the cheese on the inside, and then you put the cheese on the top, and we'll be back. I'll show you the finished product. That's good enough, right?
Let's go, y'all.
All right.
Like everything. What you mean?
We don't know how long it's done.
Because they're just now starting.
Okay.
It'll take as long as it can.
I didn't know this was gonna be this scary.
Like the last one. The last one.
Okay, like this one.
Yeah, this
Just take them out. Just take them out. Just take it out.
Take that one out.
Just take it out. All right. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bryson. Happy birthday to you. Blow out the candles. Yay!